In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a Mailchimp embed form, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with Mailchimp, this tutorial will take you step by step through the customization process, ensuring you create a form that fits seamlessly into your website's design and functionality. Let's begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. If you haven't done this in a while, just head over to Mailchimp's website and enter your login details. Once you're in, navigate to the top navigation bar where you'll see Forms. Click on this and then select Other Forms from the drop-down menu, followed by Embedded Form. This will lead you to the section of Mailchimp where you can create and customize your forms. Next, you'll need to assign your form a name. This will help you keep things organized, especially if you plan on creating multiple forms. Enter a form name that clearly identifies its purpose or target audience. Speaking of the target audience, make sure you select the appropriate audience from the options available. This will ensure your form is reaching the right group of people and can help maximize its effectiveness. Once your form is named and your audience is set, it's time to customize some of the basic settings to make your form fit your specific needs. Here you can decide on various elements, including the form title, which is often the first thing your audience will see. Make it engaging and relevant to encourage users to fill it out. You also have the option to select which fields you want to display. Consider what information you really need from your audience and keep the form as simple and straightforward as possible to improve completion rates. Additionally, you can adjust the form width. This setting allows you to ensure that your form integrates nicely with the layout of your existing website, avoiding awkward spacing or misalignments. After tailoring these settings to your liking, Mailchimp will provide you with an HTML code for your form. Go ahead and copy this code. Then it's just a matter of pasting this code into the desired location of your website's HTML file. Open up your website's HTML file where you want the form to appear and paste the code in the appropriate spot. This could be anywhere from a specific page dedicated to newsletters to a sidebar on all pages. And there you have it. You've successfully customized and embedded a Mailchimp form onto your website. This step-by-step process ensures that your form aligns perfectly with your brand's aesthetic and is targeted to the right audience, making the most out of your Mailchimp experience. With these customizations, you're well on your way to collecting valuable data from your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.